I can't play flat.
This goes here.
See, they're
Oh
meatheads.
God,
They don't
gosh.
think, bro.
There's
That's
three-
why I wasn't
oh,
gonna
four,
go
four.
Smoke it.
That's like, I think it's all of them. I think it's legit all of them except Killjoy.
Okay, join the mid.
Yeah, Killjoy mid, everyone else on there.
They can't see.
They're
They
not
can't.
out.
Running,
Running away.
JJ ran to fucking garage.
Could be a garage. Nice. Neon's through C.
Up
Through
C.
C. Careful here.
But the
Two
5 on
garage, one on C.
But the 5 on ISO.
Spike
Emo,
down.
emo.
C.
Walking garage. I attacked one.
If stun and flash, they're both on set.
You ready to stun both default? Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I'm
Go,
gonna
go, go.
On.
Spike planted. One enemy remaining.
Late 60.
1 HP, 1 HP.
Oh
Nice.
my lord, I whiffed.
You guys are the greatest, good job.
Did I
No,
stun them?
good, good shot.
You stunned
you
one,
know.
yeah. Bad triple.
This goes here.
Bomb.
No, you're not, bro. Positive self-talk. Stun.
Stun.
How? How? It's all 5
It's
of
all
them.
5.
Or
We're
so.
gonna one-way short too.
What
This
the
guy is
fuck?
the
Way
greatest.
short.
Yeah, he's legit moving. Up, up.
65 Killjoy.
One enemy remaining.
Oh. 65 this guy.
He has an
65.
outlaw.
Walk on him, walk on him.
He has an outlaw.
Good shit, Cypher.
Yeah,
I
can
wish
you-
so bad then
insta
it
stun
worked,
A?
right? That's what I'm talking about.
Breach, can you fight with us this round? Just 3 of us.
Yeah.
Insta smoke this.
Yes, this
Insta
should
stun
do.
it.
Okay, what
If
okay.
you buy a deal.
Fucking go.
NaturE for B this run. I'm insta-camming.
Now, where to set up shop?
I'm gonna fight from short. Can you
Did you
insta
bang
shock
it?
it too? Actually, break a shot.
It's okay.
Yeah.
This wing window.
Oh yeah, pass the stun. Pass the stun.
I have to dash out. I'm stunned.
Drowning.
ISO is from B.
Nothing close
Clear
to
garage.
I'm floating.
Cage triggered.
When was I lobby?
Ran in. Wow. Ran in C too. ISO plus Neon. He just runs through,
I'm
man.
trying to take garage.
I tried to get out. I should just hold that shit down. I fucking killed the next one.
Spike planted.
My garden force.
Long, you can double swing him.
I can
That's on
flash when you guys
32.
want to go.
Flash.
Starting.
Flashing.
Stun, default.
Default
Nice, one
stun.
long. And that's smoking the default.
Default.
Nice, one long. Could be flanking garage. Neon fast.
Heard.
One's cubby.
I'm looking garage. I'm holding garage.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Reloading. I have smoke in one. Give me a
I have
second.
garage. So
Yeah, I'm waiting.
Right side long, right side
Right
long.
side, right side.
You tap?
Come on.
Last player standing.
Stake that shit, fuck it.
Yes, sir.
Shit.
Lee Bob's on our
Maybe they're
roster.
gonna try, so-
Ever again. So far.
Guarded long.
Yes, ISO ult already. Care.
Yeah.
That's bomb.
Sorry,
That's
long,
bomb mid window.
No,
He
no.
just popped shield short. I think.
Spamming your fucking window.
Heard.
Is you know ult
Might
then.
just
I'm
go
gonna
for
join
A.
it. Hold on.
They're joining me in garage. They saw the op. They saw the op in garage.
It's you and me.
You guys
Yeah.
ulting.
Miss.
Hold short. Hold long.
Yeah.
Nice.
Guys,
Huge go.
ass.
Just keep tapping your cam. Don't let them walk up on me, please.
They can walk on the right wall and actually kill
Killjoy
us.
short.
Yeah,
Long.
smoke in one. Breach, get here. Get ready to swing short off me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go pick up C line.
Ready to swing long off. So I say talk.
I'm at dart. Wait.
Cage triggered.
Could be hiding.
Just stay
Neon
through.
short.
Yeah,
Wall.
they're there.
Yeah, break,
Coming
break.
code. They're out. Heads up.
One enemy remaining. 30 seconds left.
Good job.
Okay, they're dead. Take what's useful.
Perfect.
That's garage.
It's a garage split. Garage split.
Nothing.
Cage triggered.
You can
Could
leave
be
me.
up. Could be going B. Could be
I
going B.
think it might be
actually.
B.
They did not smoke me.
I have the A line.
Starting B now.
I'm ulting now.
Neon's dead.
Nice, you can live now. 5v3, 5v3.
Drunk. One was stuck
There's
towards
still
the
nothing
garage
A
door.
yet. Careful B and C.
C is full clear. I have everything right now.
I smoke up front.
I
B.
have C and garage.
They're just good. They have to be from B.
I'm just swing off the garage truck.
That's fine.
One's close front B.
I'm holding
Play
it.
double
They can
B.
walk in
Play
on my
double
right.
B the whole time.
I have it.
Still nothing A. Still nothing A.
I'm holding
You
the
smoke front B
offense now.
maybe?
So I
it's
think
up.
you
Running
should
short?
go B. You should go B.
Droning A.
I'll just play
Yeah, they're droning
perimeters.
short.
I'm walking back A link.
It's just a
ISO,
drone. Just a drone.
ISO.
No one's
100
crossed
on-
yet.
I
Just
said
stay
it's
towards
front
B
B.
and C.
He's in. He's in.
He's
He's in. He's in.
A-link side.
Rotating off.
30 seconds
They
left.
found my wire.
One enemy remaining.
100 on this last guy. Minus.
Alright guys, to go. Hit 16. Stunned outside garage right now.
He should be one shot.
Hit him 16, so he's got to be 1-1.
He walked out. Pretty. He doesn't have time. He has
No
no
time, no
for
time.
anything.
Just live on you.
Scanning ahead.
There's an op. Just deep cam it again.
They're gonna double Sova plus Neon. Yeah, see.
My eyes are closed.
Window, so I smoke. They smoke garage window.
Cage trigger. They found my wire.
110 on Neon.
Player standing.
Two of them are literally 1 HP. They can both add a shock.
Alright, do a lot more kills than this. I needed to go wide long on the guy.
Just throw around this one. You should walk off spawn.
He should have fucking shock darted, honestly.
Spike planted.
This shock planning is one. I'm spamming, ping, stand this ping. Give me Neon.
Shock dart.
That's so me. I did so much damage. Just in trouble.
Only have one shot. This
That's
round.
right. Roka shoot.
Up shield.
I'm gonna
They
walk up.
found my wire.
Garage control.
That's a dead.
Good flash. You're solid.
That's a
solid.
gun there. That's a
Rotating
gun
off.
there.
Yeah, you want it? I can smoke. We smoke.
One's up front B.
Go from B.
Could be
Two.
lurked in
This-
garage. Could be lurked in garage.
Neon's also window. Go from B.
On set.
One is going garage right
One more,
now.
one from B
Omen.
right now.
Omen is garage.
One enemy
Nice.
remaining.
You could walk in
Maybe
garage.
this was Sova.
Oh, money.
Good round.
Pop it.
Right now.
One's B. B.
1B, 1B.
Leaving.
You,
We seen Killjoy or no?
I could go see Link. There's yo,
Yeah,
136
no,
on
no.
ISO.
I'm pretty sure I saw.
They're down or no?
Sure, it's still up.
They're still up. One in garage.
They found my wire.
Yo, breach, flash, breach.
I can't look
Hit
up.
through garage, Killjoy.
Backside dead.
They're both
40 on
C
Neon.
link. They both have to be C link.
Bomb is down right here, guys. Neon
But
bug
I'm
around
just
it.
waiting.
I think they're gonna.
You should hold him. He's one, no?
No, 40 on Neon.
no,
I saw
no,
it.
no.
Okay. Never mind.
I did 20 on
I'm
Neon.
holding your spawn.
Neon's half HP then.
Thirty seconds left.
Cage trigger.
Hit 39. One from B. Garage in front B. Bro, they let him cross out of sight, man.
At the bomb.
Not like this one.
What's up, Jake, man?
Spike
It's so
planted.
dumb. These people on my teams are bricks every fucking game. It makes no sense.
Sound like
We're just
that.
AFK A-Link the whole fucking round is 2. Push something, man. Please.
Alright.
Don't let him
Yeah.
have all B sight. Bomb is down. They were both C-Link and we're just
I guess
sitting
we'll
there
just be
AFK
honest.
A-Link, man.
It's done default in 10. And wait for it or no?
Nah. Let's go. You have dart?
Scanning ahead.
Neon went long. Killjoy
Probably have
took the
Molly
garage
and
on
bomb.
long.
Long right.
One
Concentrate
enemy
some.
remaining.
Stick, stick.
Right side.
Last player standing. Clutch.
Guess who, man? Help
Where's
your
the turret?
fucking boy
Yeah,
out.
Yeah, top right.
I'm in
On
India.
my wire. Camera taken out.
They broke everything. I'm fucking tilted.
That's front B, shield.
Top
pop.
shield mid.
It's you and
He
me.
ulted me.
You know where his body is?
Think around.
Cage triggered.
One NC already. Body was.
We should fast rotate with
found
breach
my
all.
wire.
That's the only way. They tapped it.
I'm ready. Ready? Ulting.
Spike planted.
Hey. Team,
On here.
what the fuck was that breach all? That's gotta be one of the worst ones of all time. Here's my spawn.
Garage. Garage and 3 long.
Cage triggered.
Two shot cubby.
Wait,
Let's
smoking
spawn,
6,
spawn,
it's
spawn.
shield.
Spawn, he spawned, dead. All 3 C long.
Smoking 2.
Cubby.
What the fuck was that breach all?
When he just try to.
Smoking deep.
Camera taken out.
Down, down.
104 on
player
old man.
standing.
Nice try.
I just smoked bomb.
Just half by.
Half by, half by.
That goes there. This goes here.
Okay, my next.
Can we fight window drop?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to walk down into grass.
Yes, this should do.
That's one garage off you.
Smoke top C.
Let's help his
Spike
ass
down
out.
mid.
Help his ass
I saw
out. Fight
shield,
with
he
his
shield.
ass.
I'm out.
Swinging. Fielded.
Broke his
Broke
shield,
shield.
broke
Broke
his
his
shield.
shield.
Last player standing.
20 on
Cage
ISO.
triggered.
Spike planted. One
Foolish.
enemy remaining.
Cage triggered.
That's where he sat, man. Fuck. I didn't expect that. That's bad.
You and me. Cage triggered.
They're rotating, rotating,
They're
rotating.
running
Outside
to
garage.
Idiot on neon.
I didn't see him pushing garage. He was sitting.
You should run.
So if I just drone all short.
I'm gonna go first. He's fucking holy from him.
So if I through A. Sova's flanking you from spawn.
Spike planted. One enemy remaining.
Gripping with you, gripping with you.
Cage triggered.
Actually, I'm not.
Here.
He'll be backside on you.
He is in default, in default.
Splashing.
On my one way. In the smoke.
Chill, 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 chill.
Backside.
One way.
Nice shot.
Hey,
Get
yo,
your
that guy's
fucking
on
round.
drugs.
Starting long.
Stunning long.
Revealing area.
Fuck it. Fuck that dart.
Reloading. Cage triggered.
No, no.
Be out grass. He is. He saw us.
Okay,
We
he
gotta go.
saw us going back. Yeah, we gotta speed up. We're gonna
Sova ISO pushed A.
And Neon was there too, so.
Our spike
Oh,
carrier
backside,
is
backside,
killed.
backside.
Spike down. C.
That logs are.
Our
Last
spike
player
carrier is
standing.
killed.
Third 3 there. They saw us, bro.
Put that bomb dead.
It's just too slow.
No recon. Do you give a work smoke? Perfect.
This guy's gonna die. Marshall. So obvious, man. Please, man. Why are you a brick, bro? Why are you
Let me
a
walk it.
fucking brick? begging
Very
you to
well.
not be
He has no
dumbish,
info, yeah, he has no
and
info.
I have to fucking do this.
Stay there, breach. I'm gonna.
Pop shield B. Pop
Yeah,
shield
pop
B.
shield, just wait.
I'm gonna give you a smoke, a link after, and then we walk up long.
Alright, chill's gonna fall.
Go for it.
Freeze, just wait.
Okay, 55 omen. I kinda, I use a
Three,
shit
two,
ton of util in the pod. Only him probably.
Cage trigger.
Only him. He's running,
Wait, what?
55 on Sova and omen.
You have a smoke response or no?
10.
Out heaven one, low, nice.
Pick up the
Panic coming out.
Fucking spot, right?
Sorry, guys. Just everyone hold the smoke, hold the smoke. They have no bomb.
One enemy remaining. Last player standing.
He didn't even tap. I can one way him in 10.
Nice.
Oh my
Good
god.
You think I don't know how to get by without money?
Shit.
Dirty it.
Alright, rotating ISO. Drum me short.
You stunning?
Pop shield.
Sure.
And
I saw you
They
already.
could be peeking me.
Deploying drone.
go back to
Flashing.
Close, clear.
Yeah, let's go, let's go.
Someone's on
I'm dashing out.
Flashing.
I'm blind.
Flashing
Don't
backside.
clear right.
Flag side splash.
Graffiti, graffiti.
Guard, get up.
Still graffiti, still graffiti. Ice
I'm
up.
spam, I'm spam.
And backside, backside!
Side.
Fine, fine.
Flank.
Going long, going long.
Camera taken out.
To be sure.
You're like that.
One left.
Wait.
I'm getting out. I'm ready to go out.
Starting out.
Smoke.
That kid is
Molly.
so dumb.
I'm after
Molly,
shot
yeah.
gang. Put a late flash backside. Flashing backside.
He's out. Close right,
One,
close right.
double, double.
Dead.
Oh my god.
One enemy remaining.
He's out. Out.
Good fucking round.
Good job.
Go. Alright, dash.
Enemy spotted B.
We don't have a trip for it.
Garage, garage.
This guy's incredible. Get refrag.
Chill.
I thought we were going in B. 2A lane.
Holding it fine.
So you might
Sova
have
and-
C. It's Sova. Or Omen's on C. Bro. Oh
No,
my
you guys have
Have we
B.
not seen? Have we not seen Neon?
Oh, you've seen both.
Yeah,
They're on
B.
B. They're both on B.
I'm 1 HP.
One enemy remaining.
One hit 80, hit 80 less.
Please.
I'm going
I
late.
hit
Play your life.
120.
Play your life.
He's at 120.
He's 1 HP. Fuck.
You vault, Cliff.
Yeah, I know.
So vault, and a vulnerable.
Cage trigger.
Or didn't.
That'll work.
They're punished. I'm darting along.
Out garage, 3, 2, 1.
They're ulting melee.
Nothing A long.
They found my
One day
wire.
see for sure.
On B. Pop
fucking
shield on
yeah.
B.
So the backside. He's window, garage window.
Go.
Broken
I
shield.
saw. One out.
Yo, door. 2 garage, 1 was A. 2 garage, 1 A. Sova was A player.
Cage trigger.
Two.
I'm gonna wrap them garage.
My camera is
Can we fight A-Link guy?
Like I never left.
Omen left. That's alright.
Wait, garage.
It's you and me.
Hold on.
Last player standing. One enemy
His body
remaining.
was A-Link, C-Link.
No
Fucking-
peeking.
You are him. What? You are him, bro. Leaving C.
No, it's gonna be fake.
No, grass smoke. I'm
Alright.
smoking fucking CT.
Wait, let me walk out.
Backside.
Flashing and I'm flashing it. Blind.
There's one spawn. Garage, jumping out right now, garage, swinging. On the right, on the right.
Oh my god, bro. Spawn.
Wait, what?
Got out of garage and then one spawn out.
One
Nice,
enemy
last guy's
remaining.
right side garage. Swinging.
Player
Hey, yo.
standing.
Fucking Nat, bro. Get the fuck out of here, man. Oh, man.
Nice job, GG.
Attackers win.
Appreciate the game, Cypher.